God is the living, vital principle within you. Your mind is the builder. You can build yourself up or tear yourself down. Man is a thinking center and can originate thought. As he does this, he becomes a creator. Thoughts are things, they have tremendous power. Your thoughts, backed by faith, are the only power that can bring the unseen into visibility. It is an old saying that, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. The mind of the thinker and the doer is positive and constructive. It is not affected by thoughts of fear, failure, or criticism. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.